Hi guys, let's make a quick research on what I see for American dollar index for different stocks, and also we'll take indexes and we'll take different currencies. Watch my time codes because I want to give you more information and technical reasons to trade, not only to discuss but what we can do here with the markets. I hope my videos help you, so please press thumbs up under the video, and I hope in the next videos I'm gonna be with the face, but right now I want to discuss some trading situations, so we need charts. Let's go to American dollar index. As you can see on weekly chart, it's going down. It's going down for more than a year. Does it make us to think that like we can buy right now? No, we can't buy right now. Do we have signal to buy here on daily chart? No, we don't have any signals to buy right now. Yes, well, price is trying to go up a little bit, and you can see that they were trying to break it. They break it again, they break it again. It means that no tendencies will work right now. It means that price may still show you new minimums, and my technical levels of support that I like are 89.55, and lower I have target 88.70. So those are some levels that are really good, and we need to find entry point to sell there. So we go to hourly or for our chart and try to find entry point. What I do like is to stay like on daily chart and to use this level of support. It's 90 level. Look here, we have some horizontal line that was really good once on February and once in May. So when they break 90 level, you are welcome to sell with the target 89.50 and let me show you 88.70 area. I do like those technical levels of support, and market still looks like they want to go to test it. I don't feel like discussing if they will go lower or how far they will go up and when. I just tell you what I see right now and what we can use. So due to this idea that we have some opportunities of American dollar index to go down, I want to discuss with you opportunity of euro dollar to go up. Look, this is not a forecast right now. This is a technical idea that we may see euro dollar near 128.50 area. It is not a buy signal. It is not an idea to go up and buy right now. But I'm telling you that we have some technical reasons to fill this gap, like 120, 128.50. But I will be ready to stay with all those long positions for many days and feel comfortable only when they break 122 area. Earlier we discussed that here is level of resistance 122 that we need to break, and after that price will go to 123.50 and others levels of resistance. Right now they still didn't break this level 122, so we will buy only after they break this level of resistance 122. Right now, for future couple of days, I'm gonna trade with all those levels. The support 121.15, the level of resistance 121.40, level of resistance 121.70, and 122 as a level of resistance. So those are levels that we can trade with. And trading, we need to go to like 15-minute chart. Go here, 15-minute chart. So you need to double all those levels on 15-minute chart as well. So we need 121.15, we need 121.40, we need 122, and it's like 127, like this. Yeah, somewhere here. Once again, I just repeated levels from this chart to this chart, because I trade intraday and I need all those envelopes, I need all those stochastic signals. So what we do, we buy from here to here. Above 121.40 we buy up to 121.70. Under 121.40 we sell up to 121.15. Under 121.15 we'll sell up to 120.60. So this is the range that we're gonna use in future couple of days. If we go to Brent levels, I want to show you the 4-hour chart and a RSI indicator. I feel like, look here, I want a sell signal for Brent. So this is something that I'm gonna be really comfortable with on summertime to sell Brent. But this sell level may appear under 63 area. Look, if something happens and price goes under 63, this is a really good opportunity for us to sell and go down. But right now, I don't feel like this is a really beautiful picture to wait for this sell moment. So what do? We go on 4-hour chart and I look at RSI. As you can see, this is a range period. This is all range period for end of February, whole March, April, May. This is so unusual for us. But what we do here, we watch RSI, which we use in a range, and right now price is above 50 area, but they did not touch the 30 area. What may happen? We do remember about the level 63. Okay, let's leave it. Let's leave this 63 area. If price goes to 65, to 66, to 63 area, I don't care how far it will go down, but if it goes down and RSI meet this 30 area, this will be a moment for us to be ready to buy. Only if they give us this correction, I don't care how far, maybe 66, maybe 67, 65, 64, I'm using technical reasons to enter market. So right now I need to see if they go down. So if they don't go down, but they break the 70 area, I will buy to 71.30 area. This is technically explainable and understandable for me, but in no other way to trade. Like I can't sell right now, I can't buy right now because it does not look like a good signal. I don't have signal. What I'm gonna do? Either I wait for correction and buy or sell, either I wait them to break 70 level and I buy up to 71.30. Why 71.30? Because this is the maximum price that we saw on March. So this is something that may be with the Brent. Due to this fact, we can also trade the Canadian dollar. As far as we see that Brent is being high, and if they break the level of resistance, we are really okay to sell Canadian dollar under 121 area. How far? Up to 117. Let me show you why. 117 is a level that you can see right here. 117, it's right here. This is the level of support from 2015, the Ishimoku cloud. Here is the Ishimoku cloud that is horizontal, and this will be our target to sell, but only under 121 area. I know that there are a lot of people who want to buy right now, due to the fact that price is being on a maximum level from 2017. But should we buy right now? No, because there is no signal. If Brent gives us a rebound over here and goes down, this will be a moment for us to wait for USD Canadian correction. So they will go up. So what we do right now, we follow Brent, we watch what they do, and if Canadian dollar breaks this 121 level, we sell. I'm not sure if they go up to 117, it's too far. I believe they still need to break it to show new minimum and give us correction. And on autumn time, I think in like 3-4 months, we'll see 117, but not right now, okay? So yeah, this is like a forecast for you as well. They still may break this level and test like 119.56, but after that, go back and give us a correction. What we can do else, for example, we can trade some indexes I want to refresh the Great Britain pound with the Japanese yen. I still hold this target 156. Well, actually my target is 155. This is something that I'm waiting for, but due to different technical reasons, I decided to make it a little bit higher, the profit it's like 156 area. So here I'm gonna watch for correctional or for maybe some correction, that after they break 155, I know they will try to go higher a little bit. About the Euro Japanese yen, also my congratulations, it goes up really good and we all in profited. I know it's not that far, but your target is like 133.34, so this is your target over here. I hope you'll get it, and my congratulations for that. So let's go to check some indexes. For example, S&P 500, there are a lot of things that telling us to sell it, but watch the technical reason. It's still going up. It's an easy technical reason. If you delete this Ishimoku cloud, you will see the one minimum price, second minimum price, third minimum price that you saw last week. This is up-going tendency. It's all going up, 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 and they didn't break it. So we still have an opportunity to see all those levels. 4,380, 4,636. If you feel comfortable to believe inflation talks, if you feel comfortable to believe all those scary ideas that we all will decline our purchases of stocks, well, I would say that there are a lot of people who want to save their money, who want to earn more money. So they will try to enter market and they need to buy something that they know. So I still believe that people will keep buying all those Tesla, Apples, and so on. So as you know, here is a huge problem that we are going to have prices for Apple, for example, higher this year or next year. So I do believe that we still need to buy Apple as well. Due to this fact, for example, Nasdaq, I do have higher targets. I do have targets like this. This is the 15,970 target. It's good. It's good. But what I'm scared about right now, nowadays, in May, I'm scared of this level. It's like 12,450 level. I'm scared of this, that they will still go there. You see a correction. From like April 29th, they are going down, 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 and they still may go up here, up to here. You can see that. Until they don't break this area, it's 13,740. Until they don't break it up, oh my God, they still may go over here. So yes, I'm being really, really careful with this. I'm not buying right now. I'm still waiting to see some short positions that after they break this level of resistance, I do believe they will go up. If we'll come back to Nikkei, I told you last week, I told you this level. Remember? I showed you this 27,130 area. I told you to buy from here, so my congratulations. Now it's 28,300. I told you that it's not like a purchase of this year, but it's a speculative situation that you can use the 200 moving average, the Fibonacci correction level. This is good. So you can check the previous videos, you can check all those. I do have Russian YouTube, I do have English YouTube. So sometimes, yes, I do mix what I told you, what I didn't tell you. But mostly I'm trying to repeat all those ideas so you all have these technical reasons to buy instruments. So for Nikkei right now, that was a good moment. And what I want to be with right now, like for many weeks, I told you, let's not touch DAX. We had some good deals with the DAX, really good. But recently, I see a good moment to have a risk with this up to 16,540. Look here. There is a level of resistance. It's like 15,500. So above this area, I'm going to try to enter market with the target 16,580. This is something that I like technically. Due to daily chart, look at this daily chart. They're showing us good shadow on the bottom side. Look at this weekly chart. They're showing us two nice wicks with a shadow on the bottom side. I do believe we need to use it. And this is your target. So yeah, I hope it will work for me because I do like this situation, and it's not something like I'm gonna enter Monday with the new purchases of DAX, but this is something that I'm gonna watch, and I do believe that I'm gonna try a couple of times to enter it. But I hope you do remember that we need to follow news, we need to follow all those technical levels, and I'm gonna watch how market is being with this level of resistance. If they don't go through for many hours, I'm gonna wait, hold, and all those, you know, like tricky moments before you enter market. So it's not like I see price and I just go up. I do check what prices is being like near this level. Okay, what else? Let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit. For Bitcoin, I hope, and you are not buying yet, I'm not buying yet also. I believe they will go to like 40,000 area and we don't need to buy right now. About Ethereum, it's going down right now. I believe that Ethereum will show us a new good maximum. Right now, I want to see some correction. Maybe they will go to like 3,140 area, and after that I want to see new maximum up to 5,000. So this is something that I'm gonna buy a little bit later. If we check those targets, look like this, those are levels that we may use if they break 3,600 area. Only if they break 3,600 area and when they break it. When they break it right now, for example, we'll sell 3,270, 2,980, and 2,580. So those are levels for Ethereum if they go through this first level of Fibonacci extension. Yep. But after that, after they give us some correction, I would wait price to reach 4,990 area. Okay, I think this is pretty much it. What I also trade is like the Swiss franc, and target for Swiss franc with the Japanese yen is 123.50, so it's 123.50. Right here, your now level 121 to 169. This is the level of resistance that they will try to test. 129.70, like this level, they test, they go down, after that they break it, and they reach your target over here, 123.50. So this is your highest target for this currency pair. For United States dollar with the Norway crown, you still remember that my target is over here, 8.03, so we go there, it's still good. That was our entry point from 8.71, and this is our target, 8.06. So the entry point was in December, and right now it's almost May and we are not there yet, but we were entering a lot of deals like buying, selling, because they were giving us what? They were giving us a range. This range. Who follows my trading ideas knows all those tricky moments, and I hope you are here and you earn money with me. So yeah, thank you very much for your attention, guys. If there is something that I can help you with, you are welcome to write down about that. And for Nifty-Fifty, I think that I may post trading ideas for Nifty-Fifty to my Instagram. It's mariaforex.com, and also to my Telegram channel. Being honest, for my Telegram channel, I need my support to post all the information, because I don't have an access there. So yeah, that was a technical problem, and now I don't have access there. And if you double check my Instagram, this is a place where I'm going to discuss Nifty-Fifty, and I hope it will help you. Maria Forex stock. Yes, it's Maria Forex stock. You are welcome to join my Instagram and stay there. So I hope it will help you to earn some money on Nifty-Fifty. And I hope you like what I do. So press thumbs up, join my Telegram channel, join my Instagram, and of course, stay here on YouTube, join my YouTube channel. I wish you huge profits. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.